Excuse me. It's been a while. I haven't been able to work on my game thanks to my part-time work commitment. But now I'm gonna try and get back into the groove, trying to do more for my game. So let's see. One of the things that that I've been rather concerned about is how plain the game looks. So I've been thinking about what are my options, right? A quick way to make the game look a little bit more flashy, I suppose. So I was thinking maybe I should add a filter, right? A filter in front of everything that I'm rendering. So now it looks rather, now it looks rather plain. I mean, there's some scan lines in the background, but it's minimal, right? It doesn't look super interesting. I'm thinking I want a very subtle filter, which is why I prepared a noise texture, and I want to see if I can get the I can like apply it on top of the game, right, and then make it animate. Yeah, I want to see if I can do that. So I have one function here to do just that. Let me change the GIF. I think I have a new one. There we go. Okay, there's a filter on top now. It's static though, so maybe I want to animate it a bit. I think the filter is a little bit too strong. Let me lower the opacity a little bit. Okay, and I have to think about how to make it animate. Get myself a... Where's my pen? Where's my tablet pen? There we go. Found it. Hey Ixik. Hey, good to see you again. I haven't been working on my game for a while because of my part-time work. Okay, in any case, this is my game screen. What I want to do is I want to apply a filter on top, right? But my filter image is actually pretty big. And what I want to do is I want to change the offset. Maybe I want to shift this filter around, like this. Right, so it gives the illusion of gives the illusion that it's animating. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. So the way to do it would be to change the X and wait, that's not how it works, right? Let me think. Would it work? 100, 100. So this is the noise texture that I'm applying on top of the screen, right? So hopefully I can get it to look a little bit more fancy, I suppose. Okay, seems to be toweling properly. Okay. Okay, in that case I shall try animating it. Excuse me. Let's take a look at this. I need to check out the function, how it works, just to make sure I don't get anything wrong. My random will give me inclusive, okay. The upper bound from which the random number will be selected. So for example, to get a random number from 0 to 9, you can use irandom9 inclusive. It's a bit weird for it to be inclusive though, it's so different from other APIs. Okay. In that case, I can use this sprite width. Same thing for this part here. So I'm changing it every single frame. I'm not sure how that will look. Hopefully it looks alright. Let's take a look. Whoa. The filter is definitely kicking in. Not sure if it's too much. Is it too much? It seems a bit too much. Seems a bit too much. Let me lower it to 0.1 instead of 0.125. I feel like I'm always relying on the same tricks, you know? Noise filter, scan lines, gradients. Okay, I think I might stick with this. Or is this too much? Still feels a bit too much. Crap. I blame the lag. Okay. Feels a little bit too much. Let's get it to 0.75. There's also the issue with the game appearing different on, like the colors appear different on different monitors, and I probably have to test it on the mobile device as well, right, to see how it truly looks. So the difference between my two monitors is that on one of my monitor the colors will be a lot more saturated. Yeah, so I'm not entirely sure which one is the standard. Oh my god, look at this, what did I do? Huh? Oh, wrong value, goodness. 0.075, there we go. It's not 0.75. I was applying a noise filter, but I put in the wrong alpha value. Hi, Amanda. Yeah, too much noise. Exactly. Something like this. Bit more faint. I'm not sure if you can actually see it. It's quite faint. So I'm adding this so that it looks a bit more, you know, a little bit more fancy. February and yeah, I know, right? I keep delaying the date. I'm so terrible at this. Don't delay too much, yeah. Yeah. So one key reason why I'm delaying it is because, well, it's not entirely ready yet, and part of the reason why that's so is because of my part-time work commitment, right? The workload ramped up in the past 2 weeks, and I'm not actually done with them yet. I still have a lot of stuff I need to do. Yeah. So I'm kind of taking like a short break from my part-time work. You're still waiting to hear from your publisher, right? Usually I give a pub about 2 weeks before I send a follow-up email. A lot of grading to do as yeah, exactly. A lot of grading. A lot of grading. I'm behind on my grading. I still owe my class their grades. Seems fine. I think I will keep the noise filter for now. I'll keep it for now. I always rely on the same few tricks. If you notice, it's either scan lines or noise filter or gradient. Always doing the same thing. You wake up later at night, gonna work on the next track. Don't want to spend too much time on the free pack. So what's this work about, right? With this publisher. Seems fine. Oh no, I just realized something. Position is wrong. Position of the transition animation thingy is wrong. Oh my god. Why? Okay. Oh, just the TV film licensing stuff. I see. Want to make more demos this year for other pubs as well. Cool. Yeah. Hopefully everything works out, right? Then you'll have this awesome passive income. What happened with the positioning? I'm not entirely sure. I need to check out why. Like the transition animation thingy is starting at the wrong place when the aspect ratio is like it's not 9:16. So I'm gonna run again and test it out. Let's see if that's the case. So I'm gonna test it out. So if I click on this, right, you'll see a circle emerge from here like that. So this is correct, yeah. But if I were to change the aspect ratio, then you can see that it's it's wrong. The positioning is wrong. What's up with that? Friends who are in the business say it'll take a few years, minimum of 2 years on average. Understood. Yeah, I've been trying to make games for 6 years already. I think on to 7 years. Goodness, time flies. And I'm not entirely making the progress I want, which is why I'm trying to make a point, right, to release more things in a shorter frame of time. Yeah, so I should. I think a good strategy would be to focus on doing smaller and polished stuff. Maybe I should. Yeah, I should focus on that. Let's see. This is the one, right? The X and Y position is wrong for some reason. Interesting. Okay. The more tracks we have signed with publisher, the better. It's a bit of a number game. Understood. Yeah, nothing is guaranteed. That's right. But if we don't, if we don't have any output, then there wouldn't be any progress either. Right, I think most of us who stick around after a few years, right, despite the lack of financial returns, right, that just means that we really like to do what we do, right? Draw sprite. This is not what I want. How about this? Oh, thank you. What file format does GameMaker accept? MP3 and WAV. I'm not sure about OGG actually. They might accept it too. I'm not entirely sure. I think OGG also works. MP3 doesn't look properly, unfortunately. Understood. Has it got anything to do with the way it's compressed? Oh, it's an offset from the screen edge. It's not in world space. Whoopsie daisy. Wave is definitely highest quality, but file size is usually the biggest. Right, because it's raw, right? There's no compression. Something to do with MP3 compression. Ah. Introduces like a gap at the beginning. Oh dear. I see, yes. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, X and Y. I cannot use X and Y as it is. A bit confused. Hang on, parent left. How did I do the collision? Let's see. Like this. Barely remember what I wrote. Hang on. Offset from the screen edge. Which edge? Left and top. Is that it? Coded a calculator. Nice. C++ generally is one of the harder language to start with. Yeah, I think people now generally favors Python as a way to get introduced to programming, I think. Hello Kalazar, hello. Hello. I haven't been streaming as much because of my part-time work. It's good to see you again. Audio programming is on C++. I see. So I've been trying to add the filter on top of my game, right? Try to make it look a bit more fancy. Hey man, thanks. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see like this slight noise layer on top of the game. As this is slight flickering. Yeah, I'm just trying to add this additional filter on top of the game so that it looks like slightly more fancy, so that it appears classier than it actually is. Yeah. Yeah, it shouldn't be distracting, right? That's the aim. Because I think it's very possible to go overboard with this sort of thing. Opens GameMaker. Oh, Amanda, what was that? Juice. Juce. Juice? Some audio framework? It sounds fun. Pronounced as juice. Ah, I see. Okay, I'm gonna keep this noise filter for now. There's something special about the filter that I'm using. I'm not using a static noise like white noise, right? Because I think I tried using white noise for one of my older prototypes, puzzle game, right? It actually appears a bit blurry, right? Rather than making it look interesting, right? It makes it look blurry, which is weird. So I used this noise texture instead. So I bought this. I bought a whole bunch of texture from itch.io, right? Stock texture. So yeah, I picked this one. Seems fine. It's a puzzle prototype. It's something I made with John. Let me show you. We never released it. Last year we tried pitching this to publisher, right? We were invited to pitch. So we went and pitched this game, but we didn't get the contract in the end. So this is the puzzle game. Right, there actually is a this particular GIF don't have that noise filter, I think, but yeah, I tried adding some noise on top. I worked on this for quite a while actually, and only to scrap this project. Yeah, it was a pretty interesting project to work on. It says currently in development, but actually it's on hold. Right, we're not actively working on it at the moment. Can it be relaxing? Yeah, it's supposed to be relaxing, but the puzzles are not exactly easy as well. You find some puzzle games very relaxing. I was playing this for like a few minutes earlier. Poly Bridge. There's this game called Poly Bridge. Seems pretty relaxing as well. Have you heard of Poly Bridge? This one. This one is pretty interesting. It's not entirely my style of game, but I see its appeal. Yeah, it can be really appealing to some people. Tries to run the game after altering no code. Kelso, what are you working on at the moment? Working on this error. Ah, I see, I see. So the most terrible errors are the ones that only happens occasionally, right? Because then it's difficult to track down what causes them. Anchor to the edge. Let me see if I can remember how to write this. Global X, global Y. You never had this error before and didn't read it. Oh dearie. You found this channel and they have this playlist called Pixel Art. Oh, nice. I'll love to check it out in a moment. Hang on, let me just. You didn't read the error, so I assume you instinctively click on abort, right? I've done that a few times as well. Something to do with the controller. Ah. Let me get this. What is offset X? Aha. You're following along to someone using Windows and they were using Visual Studio and you were like, oh, that's VS for Mac. Only to realize VS for Mac does not have C++. Oh, is that it? Is that so? Using Xcode. Working on camera stuff though, for now. Ledge grab and climb, nice! Ledge grab is tedious to implement, right? How do you implement it? There's so many things to take care of. First you have to have the hitbox to identify the ledge, then you have to enter an animation state. Oh, that's a lot of work. You got it in pretty quickly, nice! Nice. I know if it's me, right, I'll probably take forever. Eh? What am I doing wrong? The climbing up that messes up because you're basically teleporting teleporting the character to the end position. Then the character can move again, but it messes up the camera. Ah, right. A sudden change in position. I see, I see. I'm trying to see why X and Y doesn't work. Anchor to edge of container. Mine is centered. What is offset? Okay, offset is the position, local position. Just made it a hell of a lot better. Nice. How did you do? Instead of following the Y, you made it follow the bounding box top. Oh, okay. Now you just need to adjust the smoothing. Great to know. Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, parent left plus offset 0. I'm trying to make sense of what I'm doing here. First and foremost, I need to understand how big the parent is. So let me go to the container. You have a playable demo out soon. Nice, nice, nice. Do share it with us when it's ready. You get like feedback. Ah, okay. Yeah. I would love to give it a go. I know I'm really behind on my schedule. Okay, finally I have my box here. I want to see why I cannot get the global X and Y position. Oh, this looks scary. To do, review and test this code more thoroughly. Is this what's breaking my thing? Maybe not this one. Album was supposed to be done last year, but you only got it done this year. End of That's fine. Alright man, I look forward to your demo. Okay, get global left. I don't understand. X and Y is supposed to be global position. So what in the world is wrong? Trying to make a Saturday stream a regular thing. Josiah is working hard at slacking off as a cat streamer. Sure thing. Level select. So this X and Y is definitely wrong. For some reason. Oh, it could be the camera position. Really? Let me think. But collision detection works though. Okay, I get it. I think I get it. It's the transition is drawn in a different space. So let me just do some guesswork. I think this should get the problem fixed. I think. Usually when I say I think, my work doesn't, it's usually wrong. Camera get view X. This Saturday you'll start playing when the past was... What? When the what was around? You've been wanting... When the past was around is a game. Oh. I've never heard of the game. I shall check it out in a moment. One of the dev of when the past was around. Oh, I see. It's an indie game from Indonesia. Nice. Anyways, I think my issue with the positioning is the transition is getting rendered. The circle is getting rendered in a different space, so there might be some desyncing going on. Right, the two spaces are not exactly overlapped properly, so I have to take into account the camera as well. Yeah. Oh my god, my computer is lagging so bad. Okay. No, this is not how I want to write it. Oh wait, it's a plus, right? Let's try it out. You're also making monthly devlog, so you have to work on your game or else you have nothing to show. Hey, nice! I'm also behind on my second devlog. Nice. I look forward to it. Yeah, I only have one entry in my devlog. It's on my YouTube channel. It's nothing much. It's like 3 minutes of me talking about the basic stuff. Okay, this is working. Ah, it's working now. There we go. I don't exactly comprehend why this is the case, but let me think. Why is it that this will work? I know that the offset is the camera view, but why is it that it is the camera view? Let's see. So this initially is the screen. I resize it, so then it looks bigger. Right? So then let's put dotted lines to show like what the original size looks like. The original size of the screen is like that. And in order to keep everything centered, I believe I shifted the camera. So the camera's position is here originally. So then instead of being here, I shifted the camera to be here, the top left of the camera to be here. So that means I now need to account for this difference. There is no change in the world space, but when it comes to the UI space, UI space in UI space the top left corner is 0, 0, right? Whereas since I moved the camera, right? The space would then be minus camera, or not minus, but rather the camera X and camera Y, or camera X, camera Y, which is exactly how much I shifted here. I think I got it. You're doing them every first started this. Oh, nice. Wait, you have it already? Let me see. I don't remember if I subscribed to your channel. Let me check. I found you. Subscribe. I found you. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm a add to save to watch later. I'm gonna check it out in a moment. Cool. Thanks for sharing. What's your channel? Alright, Amanda's channel. Wait, I thought I already subscribed to you. Let me see. Mask Sound. Yeah, I subscribed already. See? Ta-da! In your tutorials, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's Mask Sound, composer and audio implementer. Unreal Engine, yeah, exactly. Cool stuff. It's unfortunate, right, that GameMaker don't really have that kind of interface for sound engineer. Right? It's very cool. Okay, let's see. Now Unreal's audio capability is getting even better. Can you share with us like what it has, like over like GameMaker, which we use. Like what does it offer that makes it friendly towards sound engineers or sound designers? I can tell you what GameMaker has. You simply upload the audio file, right, and then you just call a function on it, and that's it. You can change the pitch, but that's about it. It's not very powerful. Not Gmod, sorry, is it Gmod? Fmod, right. Gmod. Right. Sound in GameMaker is a little in comparison to Unity and Unreal, especially with their access to Wise and Fmod. I see. Isn't Gmod like some kind of a game? Let's see, what have I done? Gary's mod, yeah. Time flies. I can't believe how old Gary's mod is now. It's like more than 10 years, right? Time flies, man. Okay, let's see. I did filter, noise filter. UI bug fix. Okay, so that's choosing. What else can I do? Even Unreal's built-in audio stuff is quite cool. Like you're still learning it, so you don't know much. But your friend who has a friend that has been doing more in-built Unreal audio stuff was talking to them about this quartz clock thing. What is that? Okay, what should I work on next? Apparently you can set time signatures, BPM. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do the boring stuff first. Label word buttons. Okay, I shall do that. You have a friend who has a friend who has another friend that has a cousin that has a friend that ruffles my waffles. Okay, let's do more UI. I need to get UI done and over with. UI. You can time stuff to tell exactly when the audio should play or something. That is nice. That is nice. You know, like when I think about having to implement like rhythm games, like how do they keep the music in sync, you know, to the actions in the game? That's not easy, right? Like over a long period of time, they can keep it in sync. How do they do that? In GameMaker, there's functions for that. Really? I would love to know what it is. Let me see. Audio. I don't know what half of this is. Audio emitter. Oh, okay. It sounds like a 3D thing. Audio sync. Ooh, okay, okay. Oh, what is this? I have never seen this before. You sync with this Unreal Quartz Cloud, you can sync stuff to the beat. There's a lot of Unreal audio capabilities that you haven't explored. I see. This functionality is not available for the HTML5 target platform. That's quite alright. Can be used to check if any audio in a synchronized group is playing. You are required to supply the sync group ID. I need to know what the sync group is. Let me see. The audio sync group function lets you play multiple sounds that starts at exactly the same time and stay in sync on a per sample level. This enables you to add various tracks for without having to worry about whether there will be any delay between them. Currently only work with compressed audio, OGG and MP3. Okay. Oh, this could be useful. This could be useful. It's good to know. Thanks for sharing. Maybe in the future I can make use of this. And overlap like two audio together. Oh, that's cool. With that, you're like an 80% cut. This is cool. This is cool. So far my games are a bit more on the simplistic side, but hopefully in future I can use this. Yeah, maybe for my next project or the one after. We shall see. Okay, let's do some labeling of buttons. Buttons. But word index here. You know what? Let me erase the save data first. Save data, where are you? Save data. Found it. Save data. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to run the game again. It should look slightly different now. Before the smoothing in the world, it still jumps to the position. Oh no! So it just moves the position over time. Okay, time to labor it. Do I have to set a font? I think I do. Draw, set font. Oh yeah, I have yet to check out Scribble. I wonder if I need it for this game. Just like for this game, I haven't been caring at all about the narrative, right? Or whatever backstory that should be. I haven't been caring about it, but I wonder if I should like add something. You know, just as a like a pinch of flavor for the game. Make it a little bit more interesting. Recently you played a visual novel. It has branching dialogues and choices affect the outcome. So you will play it again to see what changes. You want to stream it and test it, but it didn't work. It didn't work? Someone who became what? Oh, Twitter friends who recently did the audio for the game. Ah, I see. What's the game? Why didn't it work? Reality? Let me check. Oh. When the redrawn virtual reality nerd has the opportunity to beta test a neural device that feels more real than reality itself, everything she assumed about the nature of existence is thrown into question. Understood? Maybe, are you playing it in windowed mode or is it full screen? What was that game made in? Let's see. Is there a way for us to find out? You tried both window and full screen. Visual novel. Could it be made in Ren'Py? Maybe it's in Ren'Py. We got a friend who's wanting to make a visual novel and this looks pretty nice. Yeah. Maybe Ren'Py? Ren'Py is the popular one, right? Let's see. Ren'Py. This one maybe? This one is pretty popular. I mean, it's used for Doki Doki Literature Club. No idea what this is made in, but yeah, you know Ren'Py is popular for VMs. Right. Wait a second, I've seen this before. Why have I heard of this? Where is this made? Seems quite popular, this game. Ooh, all the fan art and stuff. very fancy. I might check this later. Okay, back to this. I might want to draw text with transformed. Let's see, transformed. You could just ask the composer what the game was made in, if he remembers. Right. Uh, 220. Oh my god. That's huge. Why are they all 0? Why are they all 0? What? I see. Spoiler alert, eh? Word index, where? Ah, I forgot to set it. Silly me. In that case, I don't even need this line, I think. Like branching dialogue, eh? I wonder what tools people use, right, to when they design branching narratives. You don't like it when branching dialogue games are too long, ah. You think it depends on the engine? Oh, you mean the tools? Right. Night in the Woods used yarn spinner. Night in the Woods is made in Unity, right? If I'm not wrong. Used it in a game jam once. You thought you could do that with GameMaker? Yeah. Yeah, unfortunate. I wonder what the output of Yarn Spinner is. Like, how exactly does Yarn Spinner look like? Let me check. Yarn Spinner. Yeah, I think it's for Unity, eh? Oh well. Look what you found. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's Juju Adams again. Nice. Chatterbox. Hmm? Hmm? Holy smokes. Oh, that's awesome, man. Oh my god. This guy does everything. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. When is it last updated? 12 days ago. Whoa. Actively supported. Very nice. It's the Scribbleman. Yeah. Yeah, I recognize that name. It's amazing. Okay, now why is my character so huge and deformed? Let me try and see if I can unlock the next war. There's also ink, but I'm pretty sure it's also for Unity. Oh. Crap. Okay. Index is correct. I remember they built it for writers to be able to use so that they could write without having to like keep relying on the programmers to test their writing. Ah. Oh yeah, that Juju Adams link. Nice. Ink is open source. I see. There's a lot of tools that is made. Input. Oh, maybe I can. Let's see. What does this offer? Access thresholds. Control. This could be useful. Very cool. It's a blur shader as well, which is nice. Garbage collected surfaces. Okay. Computational geometry. Oh. What is this modular audio playback? What does that mean? Modular audio system. I'm not sure what that means. %, bump that to 90%. What was that? 80%? Yeah, that's very cool. This is very cool. I would be giving Scribble a look. Definitely. Scribble Chatterbox. I don't see myself making a VN though. Let's see. No, but even then it still has its use, right? So long as there's dialogues. Could be used for RPGs and stuff also. Yeah, this looks useful. When to feed Josiah's dinner. Familiarity, blah blah blah. Twine, yes, I've heard of Twine. Cool, very cool. Yeah, what exactly is that? I wonder what that is. Modular audio system. Okay. It's for the people who are like, yeah, I recommend my students make Twine games. I see. What students? Like game writers? downloading it and looking into it. Ah, that's cool. I don't even know how to pronounce that word. Vinyl. How to pronounce that? Let me see. Vinyl? Is it? Is that how it's pronounced? Let me see. Pronounce.
Vinyl.
Ah, vinyl.
Vinyl. Vinyl.
Vinyl. Cool. Ah. If it is even, I would like it to be on the right, otherwise on the left. Okay. You think some people build text adventure games with twine, so yeah, you could see it being used for game design. Let's see how this looks. Should probably head off at around 7:30. Let's see. Whoa, that's not right. That's on the wrong direction. But why? Oh. Yep. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Oops. You can see on stream. Yeah. Yeah, it's almost dinner time. Jigger Pudding not jiggling today. Oh, it's not jiggling because wait, why is it not jiggling? Oh, it is. It is jiggling. But I mean, if I'm just clicking, right, then it doesn't jiggle. I have to be pressing something different each time for it to respond. Okay, something like this. It looks a bit weird though. It looks so weird. Not just that, it seems a lot closer on the left side than on the right side. Which means that it's not centralized. Let me see if I call this. Draw set a line. Right, I remember to call this. That's good. Let me see if I call vertical alignment as well. Looks like I caught it, so let's do it here as well. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, doesn't really look that good, does it? I need to do something more to it. The non-active ones will be transparent. Just saw the devlog. Oh, nice. I'm gonna watch it over dinner later. Yeah, let's see. Oops. Josiah just jump over you to get to his bed. Cats. What song is that? Duetto what? Buffalo. I have no idea how to pronounce that. 1800. Ah. Let's see. Iceling, thank you. Oh wait, I have seen this. I've seen this. Meow. Anyways. I want to do something fancy with the number. Let me think. What music do you listen to me? It's a beautiful piece. It is a beautiful piece, yeah. I think the color is weird as well. Maybe I shouldn't be setting it to this color. Let me switch to my other color. Let's see. Pixel edit. So I should use the color code, right? Hang on. Oh hey Jofa, hello. Yeah, there used to be two projects, you know, when you type the command active projects. But I think I'm just gonna put my other project on hold, focus on this one. Okay, let's see, a color. Actually, how do I use define the color code in GML? GameMaker color code. It's in hexadecimal, right? A $sign. Okay. $sign. I'll take this. copy it. John prefers this over Project Dungeon anyway. I'm not making a game for him. I'm doing it for myself. Okay, let's see. This and this. Wait a second. Right. But I always show, yeah, just like he shows me, right? It's the kind of thing that we are doing to keep both of us motivated. Because we both have like part-time work commitment, right? So you know, when you have another job, it gets really difficult to focus on your own projects. So we do that weekly thing where we show each other our work. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. You also started doing the weekly thing. Yeah. It really helps. It really helps. Have I mentioned? Chow requested to join us also, so he'll be in for the upcoming session. I think he has a lot he can show. Yeah, it'd be quite cool to check out what he has done. Okay, color white. I think this should do. Every time your brain thinks a GIF in the corner is gonna make it end of the yeah. Yep. I'll make that jump here. Yeah, I'm gonna make it this time. Let's see. Woo! Oh my god. Again? I keep missing this. Okay, let's see. There we go. I made the jump. Anyway, is it me or is the color suddenly super saturated? Is the yellow supposed to look this yellow? Huh. Cannot remember. Okay, let's see. Blah blah blah. Okay, I have got the label in, but doesn't really look very interesting. Need to think about how to make the number appear more fancy. Let's see, and to make the number appear more fancy, right? It's just a number. It's a bit It's a bit boring looking. Yeah, make it shake around, make it flicker. Yeah, maybe I should do that. Oh, let's make it shake about. It's smooth? Oh, you mean your camera is smooth? Nice one. Is yellow supposed to look this yellow? Okay. I'm just gonna be lazy and do the update here. I'll make the jump this time. Oh no! You caught my fail. You recorded it for me. Oh, hey, thanks. So your camera, right? I would love to see it. Elapse plus equal. Wait, how should I do this? Right, I need offset. I need an offset. You know what? This is getting a bit messy, so I think I will do a draw label outside. Something like that. It's getting quite messy. So I'll take this out so I don't have to look at it here. The ledge grabbing has been in GameMaker for too long. Pick a terrible habit of pressing F5 and it keeps refreshing the page. Yeah, I know, right? That happens. Same thing with using Visual Studio as well. Okay, let's shake it about. Shake it. Sine. Elapse, multiply by some magic number. Usually I guess the magic number here is fine, right? It's fine. It's not good, but it's alright. It's a one-off thing. Then I need some amplitude. Have a slightly different speed here. I'll just use this. You know what? Multiply by 10 here. Wow, magic number everywhere. This is terrible. 2.75. See how it looks. It's lagging. It always lags when I'm developing on stream. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it's terrible. It's too much. And they're all moving at the same well, how do I put it? They are moving in unison. That's not good. That's not. That's crap. Okay, I know what to do. That should fix the problem. I'm moving a bit too much, so. Still a bit crappy looking, to be honest. Maybe it needs to flicker. Maybe it needs to move slower, right? I should be using GM Live, but I think there's some problem with using it for structs, or maybe I'm just using it wrong. Okay, let's see. Something like that. It's a lot slower now. Could be better, right? Could be better. I'll make it flicker and stuff. Needs to appear more dynamic as well. Let me think, how should I do this? Can I make it such that the labor will actually like tween out from under the button, right? As I scroll through this page, right, the text will just slide out from under the sprite. Yeah, maybe that will look a bit more interesting. Went to grab dinner. Oh, nice. Oh right, it's 7:38. Oh, ooh, I'm over time. Let me see if I can do this one last thing. Yeah, it's past 7. I didn't notice. Oh hey, the jeep is here. Let's see. Ooh, dude, very slick animation. Looking great. Looking great. So how do you do the transition, right, from the clinging to this climbing up? It's like, how's the transition actually done to make it like as smooth as possible? The art is currently on sale. Ooh, so it's good for making prototypes. Prototype hero. Ah, that's a pretty good base, right, for a project. It's nice to have some placeholder to work with. I wanted to work on a platformer hack and slash. Let me see if I can find it. Hang on. But I put it on hold. I have too many things I'm putting on hold. or outright cancelled. Let's see. What's that project called? Do I have it here? Oh damn! I think I removed it. I think I deleted it from my local drive. Excuse me. Oh, it's alright. Maybe I'll dig it out next time from my hard disk. You draw the debug you had to test for yourself. Turn it on and send another GIF. Ah, okay. Thanks, man. Yeah, Amanda, I previously I was working on some kind of a platformer with like hand/element, but I didn't really get much gameplay out. Right, it's just a quick proof of concept for the player controls. That's about it. I'm not even sure if I can find it around. Oh wait, maybe I can. Hang on. I think I can find it somewhere. I recorded it. I think I recorded it. Hang on, playlist. There we go. I recorded it, but I never continue my work on it. No, not this. No, this one. Excuse me. It's just a silly little proof of concept, I guess. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Look at how my sprite somersaults. It just turns into a ball. Woo! Yeah. I kind of stopped working on it though. Wait, where's the attack animation? Did I not have that? I've actually done more for this, but it's not in this. It's not recorded. Like I have a camera with a dead zone. I got all of those set up, but I didn't use it. Oh, there we go. It's just like a 1-2 frame animation for the attack. It's rather silly. Alrighty. Reminds you of the old days, right? The Flash games, yeah. Yeah, definitely. That's why I started as well. New GIF! Let's see. Oh! Oh, well I guess the sprite for this particular climbing animation must be pretty big then. That's very cool. That's very, very cool. You loop the X and Y to the position it needs to be in for when the animation is finished. And you can't be too slow or the animation will be off. Oh, okay. Oh. This is very cool. Thanks for sharing. It's very, very cool. And the amount of work needed just to get the animation to sync up. It's not trivial, right? Am I gonna have Yishan for New Year? I have no idea, man. I have no idea. But we wouldn't be doing the usual, you know, the family gathering. At least I wouldn't be, right? What's the maximum? What's the maximum number allowed for a gathering? 8 people, right? Yeah, no family gathering. Yeah, I mean, for good reasons. Yeah. Five visitor max. Oh, right. And 5 visitors for the whole day. Oh, I didn't realize that's one of the rules. Interesting. Yeah, I know I wouldn't be like heading out. My parents might be though. They might be visiting my uncles or aunties. Okay, let's see. Got this done. Alright, this is fixed already. Let's see. Is there more I can do? I would like... This is the button, right? I would like the label to twin itself from out under the button sprite, I suppose. But when will it start twinning in? Maybe I can define the boundary for that. Let's call this top bound, bottom bound. Oh hey Ayan Yang, hello! Hello, great to see you. Great to see you. I did a little bit of graphical stuff, I suppose, for my game. I've always found my game to be a bit plain, you know. It's really plain. It's like you look at it from afar, right? It's just blue. That's all there is. So I thought I will add like a bit of a filter on top of the game, you know, so you can see some kind of a noise filter. I'm not sure if it's obvious from here. Alright, if I scale it out, you can kind of see the noise filter. It's like a subtle touch, I suppose. Yeah, so I added the filter. That's one thing. I added the numbers for the buttons, but I think I want to add more to it. It's not very interesting at the moment. Right, so it's basically just this. For this stream, it's just the numbers, the filter, and some bug fixing. I feel like my progress kind of just screeched to a halt right the moment I started on UI. My goodness, UI takes forever. I'm already very slow to begin with, and UI is just wow. UI. Josiah just had dinner. You brought your dinner to eat in the room, and he meows. UI design is important as well. True that. It's so true. It's important. Although from a coding perspective, it's so tedious. It's important, but it's so tedious to work on. Partly also because I don't have like prior to this project, I don't have a reusable framework that I've written, so I have to write it from scratch. So that's also partly my fault for not having the foresight to write more modular code. So I'm hoping to change that. This is why there are UI UX designers. Of course. course, UI is important, definitely. Oh wait, yeah, what was I talking about? Ah, right, this one. Yeah, Amanda is a composer. Let's see, button at this point, no tweening. Button at this position, tweening. Okay. Let me think about how I should implement this. Maybe that's not what I want. Hang on, let me think. Maybe there's a better way. Am I overthinking this? Having some interest in games? Hey! It's a good enough reason to start. At the moment, you are making a free chiptune pack for indiedev. Yeah, man, we would love to hear it. Okay, let's see. Top bound, bottom bound. I think the tweening can start here and here, but let me see. At this point, no wait, the tweening. Oh, let me think. Okay, it should be hidden at this point, and at this point, and then must be fully extended at this point. Fully extended. Wait, am I complicating a very simple thing? Let me think, interpolation. So there's this interpolation here, and there's this interpolation here. So S minus T. Offset. Let me think, to write this down before I forget. Okay, so what is A? A is hidden. So this is 0. Let me think. 0. Yeah, I think I'm overcomplicating this very simple problem. Hang on. Top. Something wrong with where your root bone was or something. Every time you ran the test project, your camera would shake. What is it? Only slide we ever made was a test implementation with Wise and Unity. You modeled the same. Right. Yeah, I've heard your first track. It's really cool. It's pretty cool. Two separate scenarios. One is if I'm at the top half, my interpolation should look like this. Let me see. S is the final, so top. Bound minus T. T would be my current position. Minus Y then. Top bound minus camera Y or screen top. This would be, I start at 0. Oh, so actually this whole thing gets cancelled out. This whole thing gets cancelled out. And then T is Y. Y minus R. R is T top. Eh? I'm confusing myself. Hang on. R is 0. No, R is screen top. Followed by top bound minus screen top. Why is I'm confusing myself. Followed by maximum extended value. Yes. Times offset. There you go. You know what? I should write a generic script for this. For interpolation. It's a linear interpolation, right? It's a kind of loop. So util script. I'm just gonna call it interpolate. Interpolate. I'm honestly I'm kind of confusing myself as well. The reason why I'm thinking about all this is because I want it such that how do I put it? Let's say I have this two lines, right? Like this is the top of the screen, right? And then this is some arbitrary position on the screen. Then what I want is, at this point, when my button appears here, right? There isn't anything special, but as I move downwards, I want the text label to start appearing, right? And this offset will be determined by the offset from the top of the screen. Yeah, which is why I was thinking about all the interpolation stuff. But I might be making it. I mean, I might be thinking about this the wrong way. Like I might be complicating it when it doesn't need to be that complicated. Yeah, I might be overcomplicating this. Okay, so let's just have the range. So all the S and the R and the T, right, they are just like the numbers representing the different bounds. So I have an S, R, T, S, R, T, is that it? Then A, B, that's how I remember them. Or rather, no, let's not call it A, B. Source and destination. Source representing the starting value, destination representing the final value of the interpolation. The computer will do most of the work for you. Yeah, you still need to tell them how to go about doing it. That's one thing. That's one thing. The actual calculation the computer can do for us. Yes. Okay, so the range would be S minus R. Excuse me. Return S minus T divided by range times source plus my god, plus T minus R divided by range times destination. Hey Chow. Happy New Year. Oh right, soon. Hey Chow, thanks for dropping by, man. I didn't notice your message from earlier. Right. Lunar New Year, that's right. Interpolate. You didn't know this week was the New Year until your mom told you. I mean, it's not like we look at the Chinese calendar, right? You know. I don't even know how the Chinese calendar works. Okay, let's see. Interpolate return. Oh man, should I do this now or should I leave it for later? It's already past 8. Oh dear. I'll try for a bit. Maybe I'll try for 10 more minutes. But knowing my speed, I probably can't get it done. Let's see. Word button. I'll never end on time. Yeah, I'll try. No, it cannot be one. I cannot exceed. I cannot go past like 8:30. Otherwise, I would be, I'll be without dinner. That's not healthy. Let's see. I want to interpolate this labor. Labor is here. Offset X, offset Y. Not this one. Let's see. I don't know what to call it. Nudge. Oops. Nudge X and nudge Y. I want to use the offset or something else. Usually when a bug appears, the stream extends by 30 minutes. Excuse me. So I need the 3 different cases. If a button is above top bound, button is below bottom bound. Okay. And labor offset would be, let me think. Oh. Okay, okay, hang on. I can keep this normalized to within the range 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. This would normalized range, right? Normalized range. Two hours later, still fixing. That happened, right? That happened. If I have a cat, I will end the stream because they will meow for food. True. I don't even remember what the bug was last time, right? That I ended up spending 2 hours on. Is it week 1? Let me take a look at the world selection. How big is the world selection? It's 320 like this. 320. Okay, I'll let the bound be 50. 50, so 50, I'm saying that I'll let this space be about 50 pixels. Maybe? Question mark. Maybe. PX. Oops, it's PX. Okay, what I'll do is I'll get the screen top, wait a second, this is drawn in what space? What space is this drawn in? Oh my god, hang on, let me check. GUI space? Oh, I'm drawing it inside a surface. I'm drawing it, no. I'm drawing it in GUI space. GUI space, does it matter? GUI, okay. Got it. So my helper function that is get screen top, right? I cannot use it because that is world space. GUI space will be top is 0. Top is 0. So what I do now is y lesser than 50. This would be above the top bound. Below bottom is display get GUI height, like that. Minus bound. Oh my god, I have this variable and I didn't use it. Okay, like that. So y more than or equals to. Okay, so that would account for both this and this. I think. I think. Right, and then I can do the interpolation. Interpolate. S and R. What is S? S is bound. R is 0. Is that it? Let me think. GUI space, right? So this is 0, and then this would be my bound. 50, right? Basically this is 50. So interpolation starts at 0 to 50. So S is 50, R is 0. R to S, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Yes, R to S. So R is 0, S is 50. T is Y. Y. Y would be the actual position of the button. Y, actual position of the button. Source and destination. Source is 0, destination is 1. There we go. And then I will use this, right? I'll multiply it to Y. No, to X. I'll multiply it to X. Like that. Ooh, I hope I'm doing it correctly. Okay, then for the bottom, it would be not 0 to bound, but rather so I need, hang on, I need this. H, screen H. Yep, so this would be screen height, screen H, and then this would be screen H minus 50. So then this is R, this is S. S is screen H. My god. R is screen H minus bound. My goodness. T is Y, yes. Source is 1 to 0 this time around. 1 to 0, yes, 1 to 0. Right? 1 to 0. Because when I reach the bottom of the screen, I should hide the button, hide the label. Okay, let's test it out. I have no idea if what I just typed actually works. Please work. It's compiling at the moment. It takes a while to compile. Okay, there we go. Do you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Do you see what's happening up there? Let's see what happens when I scroll down. Did you see that? Look at the 1. Woo! 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 It's a bit weird though. It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird though. Oh crap, I click on something. Yeah, the numbers are moving because of the sign, the sign function, but then there's also the interpolation from under the sprite. But it's a bit weird though, like, is it weird? I'm not entirely sure. Is it weird? Seems a little bit weird. Feels weird to have the numbers. You mean the sign function? It's very distracting. Okay, let me think about that. I think at the starting and ending page should not have the effect. Starting and the ending page should not have the effect. Oh, what effect? You mean the sign function? The nudging? Let me change the nudging to 0. Okay, let's run it again. Let's see if that changes anything. Let's see. So there's no swaying now, but it's the numbers appearing like okay. It's a bit weird, right? It's a bit too linear, right? It's not smooth. Damn it, I just wrote a whole bunch of stuff only to scrap it. It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. For future projects. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. I think I should scrap this the you know, the hiding of the button. It's a bit weird. Or what if I make it non-linear though? What if I do this? Times equals itself. So I turn it from a straight line into a curve. That means the movement will be, it will go from slow to fast. Wait, slow to fast or fast to slow? Let me think. Slow to fast, I think. Can't really tell. Yeah, I think I should change the way I'm doing this. It's not very good. Yeah, it's a bit weird. Let me turn the sign back on, but I will make it move like very little. Something like 0.5. I guess the number should only hide after you scroll over it. After you scroll over it. You mean at the bottom? At the bottom? Yeah, perhaps I should do that. At the bottom, right? Yeah, you're right. Let me do that. So it's gonna be like this. I should also maybe change the alpha value, right, as it hides itself. Something like that, I guess. Let's see. So it's a bit funny the way it just creeps under the sprite. I think the problem is that it doesn't feel very smooth, that's why. So I might have to transform this a bit. Let me turn this off. Okay, then I'll keep it like this for now. I'll remove the one on the top because it's very distracting, right? As you have mentioned. I'll keep it like this, and then there's more that has to be changed, I feel. Like maybe I'll make it flicker a bit. Another thing would be the alpha value. Alpha value should be, I'll leave it like this. Let me think. I'll leave it like, hang on. I'll leave it like this.
Here we go.
And this is one of the reasons why UI takes so long for me. I'm just constantly iterating over it. Okay. You can kind of see it fade away as it hides itself. So it's a bit less jarring. See, it hides itself. So I'm playing the game and then I scroll through the game. Yeah, I think I'll keep it like this for now. I think there's still a lot that has to be done for the numbers, so I want to change the way I render the label here. Right. Maybe I'll make it look more like the title screen, right? Like the title screen, the text looks like it has some volume, some depth to it. Like a bit 3D-ish. So maybe I can make it the same for the label here. I'll make it flicker a bit as well. Maybe. Yeah, it looks a bit flat at the moment. Yeah. So I will change this. Okay, recap. So I did something to the numbers here. I think more has to be done to make it look better. So that's one thing. Another is I added the noise filter, so if it's not obvious enough, let me maximize it. You can kind of see stuff flickering over the screen. So that's a noise filter. The reason why I added it is because I feel like the game looks a bit flat. So I was hoping that adding this, right, would make it look somewhat classier. Right, and then I fixed a UI bug, which is that when I do the screen transition, when I change the aspect ratio of the game and then I do a screen transition, the screen transition didn't appear in the right place, but I fixed that already. So that's one thing. Yeah, that's about it. Yes, it's almost 8:30, so I shall end it here. All right. Thanks everyone for hanging around. Thank you so much. And hope to see you all again soon. All right. See ya. Goodbye.